Hi, in this lecture we will restrict the surface scanning only to the vertical area. It's gonna be a very simple change in AR Plane Manager. Click on AR Session Origin and in the detection mode we have a list of detection modes. Uncheck the horizontal mode as we need only vertical mode in this project. As you can see, until now we haven't write a single line of code, and in Unity we are achieving so much because Unity is doing a lot of work behind the scene for us. Yeah, it's very quick. And now it's time to create a build. Let's see what we have in the demo. It's detecting the vertical space. That's good. It's ignoring the horizontal space. That's great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.